Welcome, Tracy, to Marianne's Morning Talk. Today I have the pleasure to interview Tracy Glaysher, our BDM for the UK. So welcome, Tracy, to my Morning Talk.
Good morning, and how are you?
Yes, good. How has the pandemic affected your work, and how did you deal with all the challenges it has presented?
Well, since the pandemic, when we started working from home, I can honestly say I've never been so busy. I think that with the vendors that we look after in the Microsoft Eco team, and the links with the Teams and Teams migrations, etc., and the fact that we're multi-vendor, has just meant the inquiries and the help that the sales guys at Westcon and the partners need has just been non-stop. So it's been great, actually. I think we've been quite lucky to be kept quite busy.
Yeah. So being a business development manager, normally travel is essential to carry out the job role. So how has your everyday work routine changed when traveling was restricted?
Well, the team that I work in, there's a couple of us that deal with the business development side, myself and my colleague Russell Mutter. For me, we've tried to split the roles rather than duplicate. So he's been concentrating on helping our partners and helping our sales guys with their ops. We still have lots of time to have Teams meetings. So although we're not getting out and about to meet face to face with customers, on the positive, it means that the lack of traveling time, we get more calls in, and we just make sure that we make it a bit personal, putting video on rather than just doing the call without the video.
So what do you look forward to the most? What motivates you the most about returning back to the office and to be on the road with partners again?
I'm definitely a people person. I love that face to face. It makes it more personal. I think within the Westcon team, the energy that we get from all of our colleagues, talking about all the deals that are going on, having fun, helping each other with any issues that might need to. And I just think it makes it more personable and happier, really, rather than feeling so isolated when you're sitting at home.
Yeah. So I think we enjoy on one side to have more time for our families as well. Yes, when you be at home because then you do not have the travel times. On the other hand, yes, that personal meeting is so much missing.
Absolutely.
So by the way, have you picked up a new hobby during the pandemic or anything what you can say that is new? What has changed?
So I wouldn't necessarily say it's new because but I've had a little more time lately to do it, but I do enjoy baking.
Oh,
So I bake treats for work for our month end. And I think it's nice because you just absorb yourself in what you're doing. Hopefully, if the baking creation is successful, then that just gives you a feeling of pride, and then sharing it with other people, whether it's friends or work colleagues, and them hopefully enjoying it is really, really good as well. So yeah, I'm definitely a bake-off fan.
so what I've now learned at the end of the month or Q, I need to come to the UK to taste your baking. So that is really great.
Absolutely. I look forward to it when we're both in the Bracknell office.
That would be really great, Tracy. Really happy. I really hope that I can over again. So I was in London. It is really hard to come over with all the documents, what you need to fill in and tests, what you need to do, etc.
Yeah.
Yes, but I hope that will get easier in the future and that I can come over more often as in previous
Excellent.
times.
Yeah, look
Yeah.
forward to that.
Thank you very much, Tracy, for your time today. And it's really a pleasure speaking with you.
Thank you, Marianne. Thanks for the invite.